Okay, and today is the 28th of July 2023, and we have Kajaaninkatu. Kajaaninkatu is at 4.
Yes.
Staircase A. We've done the staircase video before. And this is here in Finland, landscapes for sports management. It was built in 1963, it turned 60 years old this year, 2023, and it's average 11202. The basement floor is locked off.
Yeah.
It's the first floor is the basement here actually.
Yeah.
And the second floor is the main floor. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024, and it has 2 rides here.
Speed by Kajaaninkatu, maintained by Kone. Yeah. Is somebody coming?
No, but this is also the elevator.
Ah, yes. So I think the basement was opened in 2014, but I didn't get the elevator filmed due to memory problems.
Yes. I love this. Really love the smell in here.
Same. That's